Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to update the BIOS on your Windows computer. So this is going to be a fairly generic tutorial, but it's going to be fairly specific enough that should be applicable to pretty much all consumer brands of laptops, desktops running the Windows operating system. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to open up a web browser, doesn't matter which one, and you just want to take note of whatever your computer make and model is. So if you actually know what make, like specifically beyond just what brand it is, but what model it is, it would probably be helpful. But let's just say you have an HP computer, so let's just type in HP BIOS update, and we're just going to search it into Google. You see that one of the best results should come back from an HP domain here, and we just go ahead and click on that. And you want to go ahead and just scroll down here. So let's say you wanted to automatically update it using the support assistant, is what they call it here. You can go ahead and search for the HP support assistant on your computer, and then in the devices tab, select updates, check for updates and messages, and then it should go ahead and download and install the new update if there are any available. And this is in Hewlett Packard HP. If we were to do Dell BIOS update, just for example, I just want to show you guys just how generic this is, and I mean, you can apply to pretty much all your computers. So we can go underneath Dell here, so Dell BIOS updates. Let's just go ahead and open that up. And they have a little video there as well. And basically, guys, if you wanted to go ahead and update it, see there's an option that says how to download the latest BIOS for a Dell computer. You can go ahead and select that. It said they're available on the drivers and downloads page, so you go ahead and select that. And you would go ahead and enter in your Dell service tag if you had one readily available. Otherwise, you could also go ahead and just select the support assistant tool that should be able to help identify this right off the bat. So you could also select browse all products too if you want to go ahead and just narrow it down. So just giving you guys another option there. And I mean, I can go try another brand. We could do Acer BIOS update. And then see we have an upgrade assistant tool. And you can see, there we go, guys. You can see the visuals of what it would look like down the BIOS and application from the website. And it basically just will walk you through exactly what it's going to look like here. So pretty straightforward, guys. And you can see the link is right here. So please download and install the Acer Upgrade Assistant. So they're all fairly self-explanatory here, guys. But I just want to show you guys how simple it is and how you would go about updating the BIOS. And again, I would highly recommend you get it directly from your computer's manufacturer. I would not suggest using some third-party utility. You can, but with the BIOS, I would suggest that you stay with the manufacturer of your computer. So again, fairly straightforward here. You can see there's an Ease Flash tool for Aces, and they have the download BIOS update utility from my Aces. So they all have very similar utilities here. They just call them different things. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.